Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. I do these all the time on my channel, as you guys know, so definitely stick around. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have a massive playlist, which is going to be down below. I need to update that because it's getting a little crazy in there. It's a lot of videos, so I'm going to have to do that. But if you want to see the products that I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. As always, we're going to start off miscellaneous. We're going to do nails, and then we're going to get into the makeup at the end. So first off, I don't know why I picked these up. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but so this is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Gel Eye Pads. It comes with 2 pairs, but there's 4 in here. Oh, 2 pairs each eye. Okay, I get it. Okay. It's cold and hot, so you can use them for your eyes to depuff if you want. You can use them again cold or hot, which is really interesting. I'm not going to open them because I don't think I'm going to keep them. I think I'm going to give them away. Don't know why I purchased them, to be honest. It's just like this year right now I'm like decluttering. I'm taking all this stuff. Why am I buying this? I don't know, but we're going to go ahead and give it to somebody who's going to give it a good home and use it. And these are really cute. I wanted to show it to you guys, which is why I'm sure I bought it with that intent, but I'm not going to use it for myself. So okay, we have this Be Pure Cooling Facial Roller. This looked really intriguing. It was $125 as everything else at Dollar Tree is, and it looked really interesting. It's stainless steel and it helps reduce redness and puffiness, and you can use it chilled. So if you throw it in the refrigerator, it'll come out cold. Ooh, there's a look at that product. Oh, it's so cold. Oh yes. Okay, definitely have to try this out, girl. I picked up more of the Freegels cough drops for some reason. I mean, I just love to have these on hand. And this one is the menthol eucalyptus scent or flavor. So yeah, I went ahead and picked up a pack of these, and it comes with 30 in here. Yeah, as you guys know, bratified my car, and I bought one of these in black because I didn't have purple. So this is a sunglass case. At the moment, I bought it so I can put like change in here and stuff for my car, and that's what I'm gonna use this for as well. So I just went ahead and purchased in purple so it can go with my car vibes, and it was $125 again. You can use it for sunglasses, but I put change in here, so like when we see homeless people in the street or whatever, and we need change for like the meter, whatever it is, we have change on hand. So I have that. Also, these are the Be Pure watermelon. They're not all watermelon. These are the Be Pure hand sanitizer sprays. I saw that they added some more scents. So we have the watermelon version, we have the lemon scented one, and then we also have the green apple one. So I went ahead and picked up all 3 of the new hand sanitizer sprays so I can throw in my car. I also saw that they added this, and I've just really been into purple as of lately. So this is the Natural Scents Lavender and Camomile. It's a reed diffuser. So I've never had these. I don't know why, but I saw it and I was like, okay, cool. I can definitely use this in my room. So you get this thing. So I'm guessing you just put the little sticks in here. How do you use this? I don't know. Okay, we're learning together. I think you like remove, yeah, this. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out later, girl. This is taking way too long, but yes, the little thing is like kind of stuck in there. I don't know, we'll see. I'll update you guys, but so far it's like a little difficult to get that thing out. Okay, so we are gonna go to nails from here. We have the Barbie 2-in-1. It has like a flavored lip balm, and it has a scented nail polish in here. I just thought this was so cute. You guys know I love Barbie, so I went ahead and picked this up. Let's go ahead and get in here. There is the lip balm. Oh my god, that's so cute. And then there's the nail polish. That's adorable. I also came across these Diamond Cosmetics nail files. Now I don't really need any more nail files, to be honest, but I saw that they had the zodiac signs. So I saw they had Virgo, and you guys know I'm a Virgo, so I did go ahead and pick up this pack, and it comes with a total of 3. The middle one says Virgo. Oh, they have like different designs. That's so cute. So they had all the other signs at Dollar Tree. I guess you can never have enough nail files. These are so cute. So for nails, girl, I went a little wild. I don't need more nails, but I got them. We came across these Ioni Cosmetics nails. When I say we, I mean me and Chris. We go to the Dollar Tree together. So we came across these. They also had a couple other variations, which I did record for my socials. So you guys are going to be seeing that over there. But we got the Ioni Cosmetics. This is part of their nail burlesque line. And these are the 12... What? I'm reading the wrong language. 12 nails round long, and again they're nail art tips. So I just thought this design was interesting, which is why I picked it up. I also came across some of these Salon Perfect nails. These looked really nice. So these are the Mani to Go reusable nail set, and it comes with 30 nails in here, I believe. It also comes with like a nail glue, so they're not pre-glued, which I love. But look, you never used to get this kind of quality nail at the Dollar Tree, and now they have them available. We have more Salon Perfect nails. These just looked so good. So I picked up 3 different styles of the Salon Perfect nails. We have the modern art nail artistry ones, because I think these are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day when it comes around. I bought these neon sets because we're going to be going to Disneyland soon. So I'm going to do like my neon alien ears. As you guys know, I used to do that all the time. So we're going to do that with these nails. And then we also have these just like stiletto kind of vibe nails. These are really cute as well. So yeah. Definitely had to stock up on a couple nails. Did I really? No, but I did. All right, let's get into lashes. We bought 2 of the Ardell lashes. These look crazy, girl. They're like really, really dramatic. These are the big, beautiful lashes. We have the Likes for Likes, and then we have Hottie. So I believe, I literally don't know why I purchased these, because they're a little too dramatic for me, but I guess I just wanted options. I don't know. On the back, it does show you how they're going to potentially look on your eye. So this is, again, Like for Likes. That's how it would look on your eye, according to this packaging. And then according to it, this is how the Hottie one is going to look on your eye. Interesting. We have 2 of the Ioni Cosmetics lashes as well, which looked really cute. So I picked up 2 of those. Is these the same? Oh, I bought 2 of the same style. I didn't even notice that. This is the Ioni Cosmetics Lash Burlesque line, 2-in-1 lash cluster, wispy doll long. No, I read it wrong. This is the style cluster wispy full doll long in shimmy. So I bought 2 of those, and this is how it would potentially look on your eye. So I also came across these brushes from Sassy and Chic, and we have these 2. I don't know if I purchased them in the past, but they just looked so like cute and high-end looking. So I bought the 2 that were available, because why not? Really nice. There's a look at those 2. How cute is that packaging? And they don't feel like too cheapy. Oh, they're really soft. Love. Let's get into the actual like makeup stuff. So first off, I came across these Beauty Intuition products. These are their scented lip masks. They have so many other ones at the store, but I only picked up 2. This is for my sister, so I'm not going to open it. But again, this is the Vanilla Rose Scented Lip Mask. It's meant to nourish and moisturize. So we're going to open the pink one. But again, we got 2. I'm going to give the blue one to my sister. This one's in Sweet Mint. There's a look at that. Let's see how... Okay, this is like kind of dried up in there. Okay, interesting. I don't know if I... Why did I pick up yellow and blue? I don't know. But these are the Beauty Intuition lip oils. So I think I picked up one for my sister as well. This is the blue raspberry one. And then I have the lemon scent one. So again, we're going to give this one away. But I really loved the packaging. I don't know if I picked up other ones in a different haul, but it feels familiar. It's adorable. Ooh. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. That's really cute. I also came across these Beauty Intuition. I think these are also lip balms. Yes. So I picked up a 3. Again, I'm going to give one away. 1 or 2 away. There's a look at those. They had so many other scents, but I picked up 3. We have the Sugar Cookie. We have Coconut Cream. And then we have Lemon Meringue here. So I think I'm going to keep Sugar Cookie. We're going to do Coconut Cream. And then I'm going to give away... No... Yeah, I'm gonna give away lemon. Look at those 2 lip balms. They're so cute. So with the... Oh, That smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I have to use this on the lips and see my thoughts. So it says start on the center, the bottom lip moving outward towards the edges in a short but light sweeping motion. Repeat steps for upper lip. Reapply as needed. Okay, so it's just a lip balm vibe. So I'm going to have to try these out, girl. I should have mentioned these with the lash earlier, but I picked up 2 of the Ioni Cosmetics lash glues. These kind of suck, but I saw that they had full sizes. So I was like, maybe these are better. We have the clear and we have the black version. Maybe the full size is better. Who knows? But this is, again, Everlasting Lash Glue from Ioni Cosmetics. So there's a look at those 2. Let's just stick to Ioni Cosmetics then since we're here. We have their Crystal Lip Gloss, which just yesterday I did my makeup collection video and I have this in my collection already. So I'm going to go ahead and give this away because I don't need 2. Oh, it's cute. It has little lips on it. Let's just get in here. It's really cute. Now, Ioni Cosmetics, everything is packaged so well, but it just takes forever to get everything out. Okay, yeah, that's adorable. Just a clear lip gloss, but it has little lips on it. I need it. So I have this Shea Butter lipstick from Ioni Cosmetics. This is the one in nude. I just thought like this color looked beautiful, so I went ahead and picked this up as well. And I already have, I believe, 2 other shades. I don't think I have this shade in particular. There's a look at that, and it also has little lips on it, and it's shaped like a heart. Ooh, okay, you can barely see that. It's like very light, but cute. Get into LA Colors. I picked up 2 of the blue liquid liners. They're literally from 2 different trips. I just went ahead and threw it all together for today, but I picked up 2. So I'm going to give away 1 to my sister and then keep 1 for myself. But the blue liner is actually really good. I also do have the black one as well. So I just like having these on hand for when I do my colorful looks. It's just like a mini liquid liner. Just look at that. And it's actually really pigmented as well. So love their LA Colors product. I picked up 1 of their moisturizing lip glosses. I really enjoy this line, and this one just looks stunning, super cute, super sparkly. And this one's in glaze. Oh yes, I really love their nude one. These smell amazing as well. It's just like a really pretty glossy vibe, so live for that. We also have another Villains lip gloss. I think I bought like some other ones, but this is the one that I don't think I own. This is the Villains Corella lip gloss, and it just looked really cute. All right, there's a look at that lip gloss. It looks really nice. Oh, it's like really pigmented too. Cute. Came across this highlight. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. This is the Beauty Intuition highlight, or should I know myself I'm not going to use it. This was $125 at Dollar Tree. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to go ahead and give this away. I also came across this powder. Looked really nice. Be Pure pressed powder for acne prone skin, and this is the clarifying 1 in 10. And I thought like I could use this as a bronzer. Girl, I hate, okay, I was like, there's like nothing on here. It tells me nothing, but on the back it has all the information, which is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a bronzer on my skin. Ooh. But it is supposed to be a face powder. Cute. Some Le Mercier products. We have their Plump It Up Plumping Lip Gloss, which looks like so. I've never seen this product from them. And this one is just like in this most beautiful purple tone. That's so cute. Kind of smells like grape, kind of medicine vibes, but it's cute. We also have the setting spray. Now I do already have this in my collection, but it looks like it's repackaged, so that's why I picked it up. But this is their matte setting spray. It's meant to last all day. Again, it's supposed to mattify your skin. Looks like so. So it looks like they repackaged it. Lastly, we came across these so cute, these glosses at Dollar Tree. How adorable are those? We have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch lip gloss. We have the Fruit Loops lip gloss. We have the Fruity Pebbles lip gloss. These are adorable. How cute is the Fruit Loops one? Fruit Loops is like one of my favorite cereals too. And these are from Taste Beauty, by the way. The smell's interesting. Okay, interesting. We have the Fruity Pebbles lip gloss. This one's red. Huh. Okay, they smell like nice and fruity. I don't know if they smell like the actual cereal. And then this one's beautiful. The Cinnamon Toast has like glitters in it. This one smells like the cereal. Cute. Yes. Okay, cannot wait to try these out on the lips. And with that, that was the last product from today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is going to be down below. Check it out. Stick around if you love Dollar Tree. I do all of these types of hauls videos, full faces, ranking videos, all of that that has to do with Dollar Tree. We do it on this channel, so definitely stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.